videos. Today I am going to tell you how to rename the file using Python, single file or in bulk you can rename the file by using following steps. Locate the file that you want to rename, and I store the MP4 file inside the folder called new folder. Then capture the path where the file is stored. In my case, the path where the file is stored is user SOS download new folder hash short video happy new year wishes using PowerPoint presentation RATAN AGARWAL IT informant.mp4. Then rename the file um, rename the file using Python. You will need to import a OS package. You can then use the following template to rename your file. First of all, you write import OS, then OS rename R file path, old file name, file type R file path, new file name, and file type. Then in this context, our example file path C user SOS download new folder, and the file name is as I already told you, this one. And then new file name, I want to convert the new file name as a happy new year .mp4. The file type is enter. Don't forget to put the R before the file to avoid the following error in Python. Unicode error. Unicode escape codec can't decode bytes in position 2 and 3. So truncate the escape. The complete Python code to rename the MP4 file from old to new is 2. I have taken 2 files in bulk to show you how to convert it, which I will show practically in pycharm or Python. For bulk, we use a function like strip, split, zfill, format, and rename. And for the simple rename, we are using rename. And then I am going to show you a folder where I have kept 3 files. First one is we will use for the renaming simple using the template, and second and third file we will split in a part and then we rename it. So come to the pycharm and run the program and get the output. In the first program, when we are using the template, then there we rename the file, and if we want to add the date time with the file name, for that we have to import a date time package where current date equals to date time dot today str format time dby. So it will add your date time to your file, and you will get the file with the date time. For that you have to write OS rename or file folder name, and then old file name, and then new file name happy new year, plus you have to write str current date. So current date we have taken here from this command. So current date will added in your program, and plus dot mp4. So it will add the time in your file. So run it and find out. This will do your program. Just see, it is converted into happy new year 1 Jan 2021.mp4. Now you need not this file, so I am deleting here, and then now I am going to convert the bulk file. I have taken only 2. For that you have to comment this file, and you have to open this line. Now understand these lines, then go to convert the thing into bulk file. For that you have to take the directory name here OS change directory. When we are in this folder, then we have to change the directory. So we write OS change directory C user SUS download new folder. So we reach to the new folder. Then print D. It will print your directory. Then for F in OS list directory, it will list the directory and show your file one by one. So first it will show the first file, and then we split the text file name into file name and extension, and then print it, so you can get whether it is giving proper file name or not. Then we split the file name by the underscore. You on each underscore it will split the file name into title, course and fnum number which I have given in a file in my series. Then file title equals to file title dot strip. It will remove the space from left or right of the text. If there is a space, then F course. It will give the title, then F course, then F number of file which I have given in the file. Then fnum equals to fnum dot strip. Now you strip the number, and then you fill two zeros before the number. So giving this command, it will give the 20 before the number. Then print the title, course and fnum and f extension to get whether it is giving properly the splitted data or not, and then rename, format this splitted data to make a new name. For new name you have to use this strings format to format the title, course and extension. So it will take title, course and extension and make a new file name, then print new file name to get whether it is giving properly or not, and then we rename the file. For that we write OS rename F comma new name. So it will rename the file which you have given in the new folder. So let's run and get the output of the file. Just see, in within a second it is converted your file into the new file name. First of all, we get learn coding with Python learn API basic to grab data with a Python #1.mp. This is my original file, and then it convert the file data into coding with Python learn API basic grab data Python, then 1 0 1 converted the hash into 0 1, and mp4 is the extension. So it is splitted the whole text into different part, then coding with Python and giving the name new name to this file. It is converted from this one to this one. So first of all it has a underscore, and then this underscore, and then coding with Python learn API basic to grab data with Python. Now #1 is gone and mp4. So the new file has made like this, and the again second file, how to communicate with API in Python with the request package underscore #2. So it will converted into how to communicate with API in Python with a request to, this is the file, and then it bifurcate on each underscore and split on each underscore and give the result, and then we have converted the name into how to communicate with the API in Python with request of package. Now it's removed 02 and underscore. So let's see in the folder whether it is changed or not. Let's see that this is changed totally. #1 and #2 is gone, and then this is all today, viewers. I think you like it, and Z fill the zero before the number, and then you can do this. If I write here fnum in also, then it will add the number also in the file. So today this is all. Thank you viewers. If you like it, please